Hi, I'm Nicole, a librarian at McAllen Public Library, and the Summer Reading Challenge has officially begun. This year, adults are able to sign up along with teens and children. For adults, we have this DIY Beeswax Wrap for you to take and make at home, available for pickup at all 3 branches while supplies last. What is a beeswax wrap? You can think of it as a food wrapper that you can wash, reuse, and eventually recycle. Beeswax wraps can be used for fruits and veggies, but don't put it in direct contact with raw meat or fish. Here's what's included in your kit and what other supplies you will need. There are also recipes you can use that include jojoba oil and tree resin, which have antibacterial properties. So if you have these on hand or want to use these in the next wraps you make, I would encourage you to do so. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 250. Then put your parchment paper on the baking sheet and then grate the beeswax bar. Make sure to evenly distribute the beeswax all over the fabric. Make sure you get beeswax near the edges too. Step 4. Place the sheet in the oven for about 4 to 8 minutes. When the wax melts completely, take the sheet out. And use a paintbrush to spread the wax over. You can hang it or set it on a drying rack. Using heat from your hands, you can mold your beeswax wrap to fit over a wide range of bowls and food containers. The beeswax wrap can start to look worn or stained, or the wax can even start to lift. Fortunately, the wraps are still usable and can even be replenished with more beeswax. Simply melt more beeswax on the fabric and continue to use. Wash your wrap by hand in cool water with a mild dish soap. Adults, be sure to register for the Summer Reading Challenge. Reference staff has designed a book bundle that allows you to knock off several challenges and activities that gets you closer to completing it. If you'd like to sign up for a book bundle, click the link here.